There are going to be plenty of other instances where you have to figure out something a bit more challenging in terms of how to grab something. For example, the magic wand would be what I might use for what if I needed the letters here, the word down, right? Select once, hold shift to add, select again, and again, and again. And maybe go back and do each one more time, but including the edges this time, because it's not quite what I wanted. And that gets me that whole word, right? So that might be a situation for, say, the magic wand. What about if you were to try to figure out how to select this circle? Okay. So that would be something a little different. Our ellipse tool wouldn't quite work. There's a few things that wouldn't. So take a second and think about that. Pause the video, ask yourself, what would you do or even try to select just this circle? Okay. What I would do, there's something I haven't shown you yet. I'm going to start with my ellipse tool. And with that ellipse tool, I'm going to go up to Select and Transform Selection. And that allows me to put this kind of transformation box around and tweak it. I'm going to drag this, hopefully as best I can, to get it around this by rotating it just outside the corners and just playing around overall. Now, we'll talk more about these transformation boxes in a little bit. But this is something that when you get a little more advanced with the program is pretty useful. All right, that looks good. I'm going to hit return. Now I have this white line here. I don't want that, but luckily it's a straight line. If I go to my polygon tool and hold Option, take that away. And that gets me that shape pretty perfectly. Okay.